controller. Team Xbox, 11-10-20, power your dreams, Project Scarlett on the bottom. 5-year celebrating with Team Xbox and for the launch. Ain't that a beauty right there? Hello. Happy launch to y'all. Today we're celebrating launch of the Xbox Series X and the Series S, and this represents a big leap in the console generation. Now, a couple of unboxings, you've seen the Xbox Series X released, but we've got sent a custom Scarlett controller for Xbox employees, and I want to show everyone what this is. For years, I've told you I've been part of Team Xbox and Microsoft, so we'll be unboxing a couple of things today. My 5-year celebration for working for the company. So this is a little crystal that they send out to employees, and a new laptop over here, the Surface Laptop 3, and that's really what started this channel over here, the Surface Book 3. A little late on the unboxing for this, but hey, better late than never. Finally got it, finally saved up for it, and this will be my new go-to mainstream device, especially on this work remote. All right, so let's get to unboxing. This is a custom Scarlett controller for Xbox employees. Having trouble, a little bit of trouble over here, but let's see if we can't get this out. Almost there. Oh my goodness. Oops, 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 before we do that. And let's look at the big reveal. Ta-da. All right, Project Scarlett. Let's see what this envelope says before we get into the controller over here. All right, let's see this here. I wanted to thank Xbox for all their help. Oops, I just dropped it just like that. This here must be the Scarlett pin right there as part of the launch. It says 11-10-2020 for the Anaconda date. Merlin Lockhart, a really cool envelope right there. Look at this little emblem. Scarlett launch team. This is a very big moment for us, Team Xbox, and I have a bunch of pride for those who really worked. So let's see here. Achievement unlocked. Today we celebrate a new family of consoles for the next generation of gaming, where we put players at the center and offer the most powerful, most affordable, and most immersive way to play. Thank you for your contributions to Xbox and vision to bring gaming to billions of people around the world. And that's Phil Spencer right there. Achievement unlocked. Well, I'm honored. I'm really honored to be part of this team. Let's see what else they gave us in this controller box. Some good fluff right there, but this is a custom Scarlett launch team bag. Let's open that up. Oh, just like this. Now we're used to the controllers, but let's see what it really looks like. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Scarlett Xbox controller. Team Xbox, 11-10-20, power your dreams, Project Scarlett on the bottom. Look at this embed date right there. All right, look at that. Let's look at the back here. Scarlett on the back. Scarlett launch team. Okay, not for sale. Hopefully, I don't know, you could find one of these on eBay, but it has that same textured grip as the Xbox Series X and Series S controllers, and that share button. Really nice customization. I would say cool looking pattern. There's so many different ways you can customize these controllers. I like the accents there with the, let's just say Xbox green contrast with the black, and how Power Your Dreams really sticks out. So let's really look at this extremely closely here. Nice textured grips. I would say in playing with this, you can really tell a difference between the Series X controllers versus the original Xbox One controllers. It just gets that little better and better. So nice textured grips here for your long gaming sessions. Little emblem on the back. This is a USB-C, that's all the same. Even the triggers are a little textured here, just for those little minute details that can really give you all the gaming differences. But like I said, this is something that we'll put in our little display case as trophies, and I want to thank Xbox again for giving these controllers. Hopefully, if you are over in Redmond and want to see one of these guys, hey, make friends with one of the Xbox employees. We'll be happy to show you. Okay, so let's move on to our next unboxing over here. So while we celebrate, I also got this in the mail, and I've been waiting for the right session to really open this. But this here is, well, the celebration for how long I've been working at Team Xbox. Okay, let's open this up, and just like that. Now this is a celebration for how long I've been working at Xbox. Right here. It says fragile, so let me not drop it like I did that Scarlett the other time. Okay. Sean Michael Sheffer, 5 years since August. I've been waiting for this a very long time. Thank you to Microsoft. open this here and let's see what we have. This almost looks like a Series X, doesn't it? Nope, it is instead a 5-year crystal for working with the company for so long. Let's go ahead and unveil this. Nice little carrying case. This is the crystal. It's nice, soft. Sean Michael Sheffer, August 2020, a little 5-year right there. It's not easy to take out. This thing costs $100, about $100 just for this crystal, and it goes right onto there. And let me bring it up. It doesn't attach or anything like that, but this is just like that. 5-year, celebrating with Team Xbox and for the launch. Be right on the display, right next to the controller over there. And we have that custom Xbox controller right there. Shawn Michael in 2020. What's up? You don't like the camera? Let's do the Surface Book 3. Again, waited a long time before unboxing this. I'm sure it for all the tokens. Let's unbox this. Surface Book 3. Nice heavy protective cover here. Wow, this is massive. Okay, lift that up. Let's take this off. This feels very reminiscent of the large Surface Book 2. Let's open this up. And ain't that a beauty right there? Look, this is large. I've been using the 13-inch Surface Book 2 for a while now, so we get to have this extra screen real estate. All right, let's put this aside. Got your manuals here, and this will be your charger. So, as you've seen, nice good power brick, but the Surface Dock 2.0, it'll be the go-to driver for me. But there you go, nice, what is it, 127 watt, and with a USB-A right there. Power brick for your charger. Well, there you have it, folks. First, you have the 5-year crystal, celebrating 5 years at Team Xbox, followed by the Xbox controller, custom Scarlett controller over here, and a little celebration gift to myself for 5 years, the Surface Book 3. All right, so thank you all for watching. Really hope you get to see the Xbox Series X for your holiday pre-orders or get that gifted. It's a really cool device. And again, thank you to Microsoft and Xbox for these glorious 5 years. Here's to some more great milestones in everyone's gaming careers and everyone moving forward. Wishing you all love, joy, safety. Thank you so much for watching.